Today, I'm going to show you a website that can help you earn money on a consistent basis. This website, as well as my free techniques and strategies, will always help you earn a good amount of money. It seems so simple, doesn't it? You won't need to invest in these apps. You won't need any technical skills. You won't need any social media following or engagement. And you won't need to sell products because you just need to follow these basic 1, 2, 3 steps. All you have to do now is follow the procedures I'm about to teach you in order to correctly set up the approach. I require that you watch every second of this video till the finish so you can understand everything, including navigation. Stay with me until the end for extra money-making techniques to optimize our earning potential while doing little to no work. Again, stay with me until the end of the video since the website's registration procedure is extremely difficult. And you could get confused and frustrated, which is why it's critical to be guided by yours truly to set things up. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. To start things off, let's head over to utest.com. This website is where we are going to earn the big bucks. What we are going to do generally is write reviews for specific softwares in order for them to improve their newly made softwares. You should be able to see this homepage, and once you head over there, right here, you will have hundreds, if not thousands of softwares which you can review. And by the way, don't worry, you won't be needing any specific technical skills in order to qualify and review for them. This platform basically makes it easy for developers to discover main issues on their creations through the help of Capterra. This platform offers services that can quickly and cheaply show what troubles or bugs need to be fixed before publishing their software. Again, we are going to make money by evaluating and testing out softwares, and that's the game for this website. Don't worry, you won't need any technical skills to do this, so don't get discouraged. The main reason why we presented this website is because this is such an easy money-making opportunity for us. You just have to test out different softwares. To further verify that the website is legitimate, let's dive into the registration process. Going back to the platform, Utest is the home of the largest community of digital freelance software testers in the world, helping some of the most recognized and iconic brands provide quality digital experiences to their customers. Whether it's improving their testing skills in our academy, finding a test project to earn money, or connecting with testing experts within the global community, Utest has become the go-to destination for people who value digital quality and are passionate about user experience and also are curious about cutting-edge technology. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. Basically, when companies like Uber needs to ensure a new feature that is ready, before rolling it out globally, they utilize U-testers to validate that it works, looks, and performs as expected. Their clients count on the feedback of U-testers to ensure that their products live up to the high expectations of their customers and provide the service it really advertises. In addition, testers are paid twice a month through your choice of either PayPal or Payoneer, whichever is most convenient for you. Furthermore, if you want to learn more about this platform, you can just scroll down below and read the features. You can also click on the FAQ. It's right here on the About Us banner And if you have more questions about the website again, don't get flustered by the pressure of reviewing certain websites because it will be as easy as pie. Now, let's click on this Projects button to view all of the projects that you can review upon registering on the said platform. Of course, before I forget, you can do this method with any device that you have. You may have a laptop, a personal computer, or a phone, whether it be Android or iPhone. It actually doesn't really matter. Regardless of where you are in the world, this won't matter because this method will work for you. Now, assuming that you've already browsed through the platform and have read all of the necessary information to be known of, we will now register to this software. You may do that by clicking on this button right here, and after clicking that, you will be redirected to this page where you will provide all of the necessary details to successfully process your account. On this page, just tell them about yourself. Provide them with your first and last name, your address, the devices you will be using for the reviews, and the last part of the registration, which is to create your very own password. Also, I'd like to remind you to input your personal and correct email address because they will be sending you a verification for them to ensure that you are a legitimate person trying to register on their platform and not a bot. After signing up, you will have your very own dashboard, which you will need in order to be updated of the happenings, and don't get lost on U-Test. Now, to proceed on the center of your dashboard, you will find the button to set up your payment method, and upon clicking that, a page will prompt by the platform wherein you will choose your personal payment method. This is why beforehand, it is important that you already have your own PayPal account, so that on this part of the setup, you will not be confused about what payment method to choose. Now, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will see the button Projects. Click on that to view all of the projects that you can review and make money from. That's it basically. All you have to do now is to be consistent in reviewing these certain softwares in order to make consistent money. Remember, if you put in a little more work than others, you will earn more than others. Now to cap off the whole video, this platform is a great opportunity for everyone to make money out of. All you have to do is be as honest as possible in reviewing all of the projects that you come across. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.